What will the golf course irrigation technology of tomorrow look like? At Toro, we know what superintendents are looking for because we listen. You need precision, making sure that every area of your course gets exactly the water it needs when it needs it. Speed, because in the changing conditions of golf course management, minutes and seconds matter. Upgradability, so that new features and benefits are just a click away and you get the most out of your investment. Durability, even tough lightning conditions can't knock it out. At Toro, we're listening to you, and we're engineering the irrigation management system of the future today. Introducing LYNX SMART Module, the latest smart control innovation from Toro. LYNX SMART Module is the next generation 2-wire irrigation system that gives superintendents more control than ever before. It's the technology of tomorrow that's available today.